Headline: What Ñnamdi Kanu wants Ipob members to do before October 21. The news details. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Ñnamdi Kanu, has asked his supporters ahead of his trial slated on October 21 to embark on dry fasting. Ifeanyi Ejimako, the lead counsel of Ñnamdi Kanu, disclosed this in a statement after his visit to the Ipob leader in the detention of the Department of State Services (DSS) on Thursday. According to him, Ñnamdi Kanu enjoined Ipob members to proceed on dry fasting ahead of his trial on October 21, which he expressed confidence to win. Ejimako also debunked different rumors, including that Kanu had been flown out of the country by the Nigerian government and that he was given a document to sign as a condition of his freedom. The lawyer said the Ipob leader found the rumors laughable when he was told, noting that the Nigerian government has no plausible excuse not to produce him in court come Thursday, the 21st day of October 2021. He said, as the day approaches, the legal team is not leaving any stone unturned towards ensuring that all the T's and are crossed and I's dotted. It was indeed an eventful visit, as our indefatigable client found as laughable the series of false narratives being spread to the public domain, ostensibly sponsored by the agents of darkness who are very deep in their dream, to prevent his appearance in court and to create a state of panic in the minds of his followers. Prominent among the falsehood desperately championed by mischief makers is the trendy subject that our dear client, Ñnamdi Kanu, has been flown to China, and from China to Israel, and from Israel to Koto Katafi, etc. We know the purveyors of this fake news, and they are aware that their evil conspiracies are dead on arrival. Onyedu was equally amazed by another fake news that was making headline in some social media quarters, that he was asked to sign any documents before regaining his freedom. This is total falsehood, and he is urging his esteemed followers to please ignore those falsehoods. Above all, our indefatigable client is strong and tenaciously holding firm in spirit. He is ready for the 21st October 2021 appearance in court. This date is sacrosanct and shall remain so. Thankfully, the federal government of Nigeria is fully aware of this date, and more compelling is the fact that the detaining authority has since over a month ago concluded every purported investigation into the matter. Hence, no plausible excuse will be available to them not to produce Ñnamdi Kanu in court come Thursday, the 21st day of October 2021. You must all see him live and direct on this date. Our client, Ñnamdi Kanu, urges millions of his followers and supporters to continue to conduct themselves and carry on with the ambit of the laws, as you all have always done. More strikingly and commendable is the fact that your solidarity has remained unshaken against all intimidating circumstances, and for this, he is deeply grateful. Onyedu advised his supporters and millions of followers to go into dry fasting as the day approaches, because resounding victory will be ours on this date, and the Almighty Shukwu Okike Abiyama will be given the glory and adoration in the end. This comes a few days after Ifeanyi Ejimako denied reports that Ñnamdi Kanu had been transferred to India. Ñnamdi Kanu, the lawyer of Ñnamdi Kanu, the Ipob leader, has said that Ñnamdi Kanu will be seen in court October 21, that there is nothing the Department of State Services or nor the federal government will do not to bring Ñnamdi Kanu to court on that day. They have no plausible excuse not to produce him on that day. And Ñnamdi Kanu is telling his Ipob members, his supporters, millions of people that are at his back, that they should embark on a dry fasting ahead of the his trial on October 21, which he expressed confidence to win. He is so sure that he's going to win, so they should embark on dry fasting, every one of them that supports him. He's saying that they should also debunk every rumor they have been hearing ever since he has been in detention. Rumor of him being flown abroad, outside the country, like flown to China, to Israel, to any other country, that he is a Nigerian and he is ill and healthy in the detention. He has no issues. He is in Nigeria. He did not go for any medical checkup, nor his case being transferred out of the country. He is in the DSS detention. Is ill and healthy. And another rumor is that he has signed a document as a condition of his freedom. He's saying they should not believe this, as these mischief makers are trying to gain ground and drag Ipob into the mud, that he did not sign any document for him to be free, that is going to appear in the court on the 21st of October 2021 on Thursday. He did not sign any document at all. So they should debunk the information that is going around. They should debunk the rumors that is going around. All he is telling his people that as the day approaches, the legal team is not leaving any stone unturned towards ensuring that all the T's are crossed and I is dotted, that everything will be brought to place, everything will be put to place. Nothing is going to happen. All he wants them to do is to go on dry fasting with him. They should pray to God, and they believe that the Almighty Shuku Kike Abiyama will answer their prayers and it will be free from detention. So he's urging all of them that they should not go on any protest. They should not protest on that day. All what they should do is to go on a dry fasting. And recall that the Ipob leader said they should all sit at home on the day of the trial so that they can fast and pray, and it will be live and direct in the courts, as the federal government has no plausible excuse not to produce him in court on that day. The client is strong and is tenaciously holding firm in the spirit. He is happy. He has smiles all over his faces. He is so calm, and he knows that that day is going to be successful, that is going to regain his freedom. Thank you, listeners, for listening. Do have a good day, and God bless you all.